The Hamilton Beach Wave Crusher Blender, model 54221, stands out as a versatile and efficient solution for those seeking consistently smooth results. In this article, we'll delve into the features and functionalities that make this blender a popular choice among consumers. Sleek design with durable construction. The Hamilton Beach Wave Crusher Blender boasts a sleek and modern design, featuring a 40 ounces glass jar complemented by black and stainless steel accents. The combination of these materials not only enhances the blender's aesthetics, but also ensures durability and longevity. The robust construction is designed to withstand the rigors of daily use, making it a reliable addition to any kitchen. Powerful performance with 700 watts. One of the standout features of the Hamilton Beach Wave Crusher Blender is its powerful 700-watt motor. This motor provides ample power to tackle a variety of ingredients, from soft fruits to tough ice. The blender's ability to crush ice with ease is particularly noteworthy, thanks to its ice saber blades that effortlessly transform ice cubes into a smooth, consistent texture. This capability makes it an ideal choice for crafting refreshing and frosty beverages. Versatility with 14 functions. The Hamilton Beach Wave Crusher Blender is not just limited to making smoothies. With its 14 different functions, it offers a versatile range of options for various culinary tasks. From blending frozen fruits to pureeing vegetables for soups, this blender adapts to the diverse needs of its users. The intuitive control panel makes it easy to select the desired function, allowing users to achieve precise results every time. Consistently smooth results. One of the key selling points of this blender is its commitment to delivering consistently smooth results. The combination of the powerful motor, ice saber blades, and a well-designed blending jar ensures that even the toughest ingredients are thoroughly blended. This attention to detail makes the Hamilton Beach Wave Crusher Blender a reliable companion for those who prioritize smooth and lump-free textures in their shakes and smoothies. That's all I have to say. Please subscribe to my channel since I upload useful videos every day. Please read my description if you require any additional details or want to know the cost of the goods. Comment below if you have any problems of any type. Keep up with our innovative items because they will make your life more simpler.